Dear friends, today's topic is how to use dark theme in YouTube. Just go to YouTube. So this is the default theme which is available, so that the entire screen looks white. And when you use for a long period of time, your eyes get strained. So in order to avoid that, and in order to change from the light theme to dark theme, just go to this YouTube link, go to appearance, right? So this is the default light theme available. Then dark theme is there, then use device theme, right? So now click this second one, that is the dark theme, right? Now the entire screen went as a dark theme. So now it is more convincing to the eyes. Okay. So this is the process how to convert the light theme in YouTube channel to dark theme. Okay, thank you.